Welcome to Ito! Hola everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places. Vámonos! Good morning! Good morning! May kasama na ako. So we're off to the Izu or Kasakasa in the morning. So this is our second home. Japan.
We're back.
We're back in Japan. Ganda ng view namin. Ocean. Oops. Shimoda. That's right, Japan. Bye, cute train. Hi guys, welcome to Ito. This is the train station. Sun is up! Yay! Kasi pagkain may ay orange ice cream chums. Wanna try? Ay. Sure na ano dito fresh kasi tawing dagat eh. Kasi sarado pa yung iba, no? Kasi 10 pa lang. Ice cream. It's the street.
Regular sir. Yan. Parang sinasabi niya, regular sir.
Pag may kasama na ako, nakakakain ako ng full meal.
Pag mag-isa. Mag-isa ka tamad.
Kasi pag mag-isa ako, supermarket lang ako. Kasi late na ako kumakain. So today, ito! And it's fresh, guys. Simon?
初膳です。
No.
はい。
Isda naman yun.
Oh, thank you.
Nakuli kayo sa'yo? Mahirap gawin lang sa'yo?
Mushroom kasi. Sinalo to. Harap.
Diba tita natupad yung brownie?
Can I choose? Wow, mushroom. Vegetarian. Porktarian.
Oo. Pork lang din order eh.
This one?
Tayo
Maybe this is specialty.
Laro ko
tanong ko eh.
Mushroom din siguro, pero ibang klase nga lang.
Hindi ko eh. Naalala ko ang tanong ko eh. Kind of hayop yata yung tanong.
Parang ano?
Kind of hayop yun eh. Tanong.
Parang raccoon?
Oo, diba?
Ako, ayoko na.
Pew pew. Pew. Pew pew. Finally, after our delicious lunch, early lunch, ito yung ryokan namin. This is Kay's house in Ito, guys. This is facing the river. Ganda nito. Hey, excited na ako. Ano si Chams? Ito na ba yung Chams? Ah, ayun. Excited yarn. Ayun pala yung Kay's house. So, kalinya lang niya dito. It's a ryokan. Yeah!
Yay! So dito po ang aming accommodation for tonight. Kay's house. Wow!
Taking the bus, going to Mount Omoro.
Yan naka-star. Siguro maraming sumasakay dyan. Ano yun?
Welcome to Mount Omoro lift. Sugukunai. Yay! Hi! Parang ayoko lumingon. Yung scared of height na bata. Tingnan mo ginagawa. Ang nice. Psst, Chams! Wow, ang ganda. Ganda. Welcome to Mount Omoro.
Dito next time. Let's do that. Hindi mo alam yan? Pinuntan at Izu. Pero hindi yan. Part ba ng Mount dito? Yan din. Part pa. Ayun ito. Parang ganun, no? Ganun kalalayo, ganun kataas.
Ganda ng kulay, no? Super green. Yung green na malinis.
Yung pagka-green.
So, almost finished na kami sa Mount Omoro. So, ang ganda ng Ito or sa Izu area. This is also part of Shizuoka. Ganda. Surrounded by mountains, guys. Sugukunai. Ang ganda pa ng araw ngayon. Sakto lang, hindi masyadong mainit. What a beautiful day! So, hi guys, by the way, we took the train from Tokyo, so So that's 2 hours. 2 hours. Almost 2 hours, I think, or 2 hours. And then from Ito, we took a bus, so an hour bus, and going to, and then nag-lift kami for 1,000 yen. Sana sa susunod na mabuhay ako dito na lang ako sa Japan, ha?
Di ba kung totoo meron?
Please, Lord. Or sa pinaka mayamang bansa. Pwede na rin. Smile lang kami, pero we're scared. Kita ka na sky. Yan yung view namin, guys. So, can you imagine?
Oh my God, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Ayoko na palang mag-video.
Can you imagine, guys? Parang ayoko na nga lang tumingin eh. Nakatingin lang ako dito sa side. Pero ang ganda ng view, in fairness, na. Cheers!
Hindi nakaka-recover na yung inig ko.
Ayan o. Diba? Mahilig ka sa adventure, diba? Gusto mo yan, diba? Ang ganda, Chubs. So, tingnan mo.
Ang ganda sa phone mo.
Pag nalaglag ako, medyo malapit.
Malapit lang. Grabe, just kidding. Ayun yung zoo. Na ano ko na yan na pwedeng puntahan. Kaso ano
Wala
may
naman
mga
ngayon.
mayroon ding naliligo sa onsen. Kaso ngayon summer, di na sila maliligo. Tia! Tia.
Uy! Uy! Ang ganda dito. And that's the end of our Omaru adventure with ice cream that has a weird taste. It's like milk and it's spicy. Pabot na.
Ubus na rin kahit.
Off
Ubus na
to
rin kahit na weird ang lasa mo, ubus na rin.
Jugasaki. See you there. So this is the Gyogasaki Coast. One of the Geo Park ba to? Diba, Chums? UNESCO Geo Park. Okay, excited ako explore to. Buti na lang, ganda ng panahon. Thank you, Lord. Can you hear that sound? Oh, ganda.
Saka ano nga ang panahon kita ng hydrangeas. Pero
Yeah,
ito patapos
ganda.
na.
Oo, patapos
Ang
na.
ano ng hydrangeas.
Ayan na. The green.
Ito yung almost 5.
Almost 5 o'clock? Really?
Sayang wala na sila.
Video to. Kasing kulay. It's a video. Yeah.
Isa.
Hindi na.
Ang ganda. Hindi ko kukuhanin, promise.
Sugar kanay. Kung saan-saan pumupunta ang mga people. Wow, look at that. Jams. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Mm. Wow.
Kodowaki Cape Suspension Bridge. Let's go.
Alas 7 pa naman magbibiling.
Okay, goods.
Tara.
Let's go.
Ang ganda. Charles, ikot, dali. Ikot, Trigo.
Izu Peninsula UNESCO Global Geopark. Let's go to the lighthouse. Walking tayo.
Tingnan natin na inakyat natin.
Sa Sagada? Ay, sa Baguio.
Baguio.
Hala, Trinidad. Wow.
So we're going back to Kay's house. Mag-aano na kami I know, we will walk pa ba sa ano? Sa river? Ah, yeah. And then, okay, that sounds like a plan.
Let's go.
Anaguchi. Saan?
Pati sombrero iniwan na.
Ayaw nga.
Dagat pala yun. Dagat.
Yun pala yun. Anaguchi ang tawag. Look at those coins. I dare you to get those. I dare you to get those coins.
Come on, guys. We're another detour.
Okay. Pero satisfying? Gratifying?
Tara din naman ang dinadaanan natin, guys.
Kasi kanina meron din.
Look at the the highway.
The road less traveled.
Yes. Less people. Ooh. So nice. Yeah.
Oh, ay nako. Rafang Hills.
Opo, Rapang.
So nice. Ah, Jams, dito pwede tayo mag-video. Ang ganda. Izu Peninsula.
Jugasaki.
This peninsula is from the Philippines. It was dripped here because of the volcanic activity. Hindi niyo alam yun?
Hindi.
Hindi niyo binasa.
Wow, is it?
Yeah!
For Chams
Wisdom.
fact finding,
Yan.
Izu Peninsula was
From the Philippines. Was from the Philippines talaga. Hindi. They are initially part of the Philippine Sea Plate.
Oh.
Yeah.
And it's because of the earthquake?
The origin of the peninsula traced back to the submarine volcanoes in the southern sea far from Japan. So it's from the Philippines because of the volcanic activity.
Yeah.
The land gradually drifted.
Ah.
In Japan.
Really? To
That's
Japan.
It was originally from the Philippine Sea.
Talaga? Lumutang, drifted. Sabagay may nangyari, di ba? Yung recent na earthquake sa ano?
So, ayun guys.
Yes,
Okay,
it's
now, we
over.
heard it from-
It was created like over a period of time,
Okay.
and that is 6,000 years.
Years.
Before.
Oh.
Oh my
I meant,
goodness.
no, not 6,000, 600,000.
600.
Okay. That's a very long time. So, like, super
Yeah.
duper
No, no, no,
duper.
no. We
That's how
we
you
cannot
drift.
really.
An island. Sana yung Philippines, buong Philippines mag-drift sa
I-drift na
Japan.
lang. Yeah, exactly.
Lord, narinig niyo po yun?
Huwag na kami pumunta
Pwede
ng
pong
America,
ano?
just to Japan na.
Oo, Japan. Okay lang po.
Hindi na kami dito. Kasi parang
Yun na yung pinakamalapit. And that's a wrap. So this is a highly recommended place to visit when you are in Izu. It's like a walk with nature kind of thing. With the view of the mountain, the ocean, and then the trees. Beautiful weather today. Not so hot. Look at those green. Such a beautiful place. And those flowers. Yeah. See you guys in Ito, in our Ryokan stay. Yung bus ay until 5 p.m. lang, and it's already 6? Is it 6?
Yeah, 6
So because of our many detours, ayun mag-walk na going to the Eki for 30 minutes or more. Depende pa sa anong makikita namin sa trail.
Rin Chaco G.
Tingnan mo, may balak pang mag-temple. Sakit na ng paa.
Saan ba tayo pupunta? Ang daming daan.
Look, there's another, but it's already closed. Another cafe. But it's a good thing hindi masarap mag-walk here. But it's espalto, so masakit sa paa.
Nalipasan na ng gutom. Sa haba ng nilakad.
Choose your
Choose your battle.
your battles, ika nga, diba?
Saan mo gustong mahirapan? Sa Japan, sa Pilipinas?
Sa Japan. Actually guys, we're just walking for 30 minutes as per Chams.
Depende sa page.
Pero sa pacing namin, hindi ko sure. Tapos ito pa yung nilalakaran namin. Oh my God. So, see you in Carrie's house! Yeah! So, ayun, naglalaro kami ng Pinoy Henyo.
Hindi daw ginagamit
So,
sa
mind
bahay.
reading. Sa
Ginagamit
school.
sa katawan? Katawan ginagamit.
Katawan.
Sunscreen.
Sa paa? Sa mukha. Sunscreen? Moisturizer. Okay, perfect. Uy, tabi-tabi.
Perfect tayo dyan. Perfect ka.
Oh, nanalo na ako.
Moisturizer kung aabot pa eh. Hanggang
Dapat meron kayong DD taxi, okay? Huwag nyo kaming gayahin. Yeah. Perfect. This is the Eki. Let's go, let's go. I'm excited na to eat dinner. Pero parang ang ganda ng Eki nila dito, Chams. Huh? Chams, is this the one? Yeah. Ang galing.
Ano kaya to? Patawid.
Ang galing. Ayan, ha. Tatawid sila dito para sasakay. food.
Isa pa lang, trailing.
Wow! Rockfish. It's good. Chums, this for you. On the french fries.
And the french fries, all
Pala yung ano place. Liwanag. One of the few na nag-open pa hanggang 8. 9? No? 8 pala 8. Okay, another ryokan experience. Yay! Tatami kami. It's your river, your view. Sarap dito mag-coffee in the morning. Wow!
Oh my gosh, hindi mo na
May view pa.
Kanina ko pa pinipigil.
Tapos doon ka, tapos mag-picture, no?
Ay, lakas ng tawa.
Mag-coffee. Ayan. Tomorrow. Yan, mag-coffee kami tomorrow dyan. Pinakita ko na kanina.
Hindi, sa akin yan eh. Joke lang.
Ayan yung view namin, guys. Good morning, Japan. Good morning, Ito. Oh, malamig. Dapat pala binuksan natin to. Good morning, Ito. The view. Ganda siguro dito sa winter. Riva. Bye, Ryokan. So, guys, I highly recommend this Ryokan. Dining area. Tapos with a view then. Is it open? Oh wow, it's open. Wow, this is nice. Ah, sugoi. So third floor kami. Maganda rin yung view namin. This is the first floor. Tita Lons. Ganda na. So highly recommended you stay in Kay's house in Ito.
Ohio! 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 Let's go!
There's a convenience store. That's our Ryokan Kay's house. The view from the outside. And Ito. So we're still here in Izu Peninsula, specifically in Ito area. So the bus is like in 25 minutes. So we have to go for a 7-Eleven run. And look for our favorite 7-Eleven find. Cha! So ito yung this is the best bank. We always withdraw here whenever we're in Japan because it's for free whenever we're using Mary Bank. Ilang kayang withdrawin ni Chums? Silip. Di? Wala pa. Ayun guys, basta 7-Eleven, hanapin niyo lang yun, okay? Yan lang. Tsa! Chums, panlibre ka naman. That's my smoothie. Make your own smoothie. You have to open it. Then this one, you have to open this one. One of the best that I have tried. finds, another finds. Introducing to Tita Lons. I can pay Genkin. Wanna go first? Welcome to Mistura. This is in Mount Kumuro. Walking for 20 minutes. Ang cute ang aso. So, we're here in the Mount Kumuro. Walking again. So, another training for our climb. So, tomorrow na yung official climb namin. Si Chams. So, naka-training, tas nakasamba.
Another day.
Napagod na ako doon sa mountain.
Tour.
Pang mountain shoes ko. Another day, another gala. Another walking tour nga.
So kung kahapon nasa Mount Omuro kami, ngayon ay nasa Mount
Kumuro.
With a K.
Komuro.
So, ito mas malapit lang from the ito. Mga parang lang. 30 minutes. Parang kasama na yung
Or
walk.
less than 30, yeah.
So, yeah. See you at the top.
Yung sa
Ciao!
Mount Omoro, parang
Ito pala yung trail.
Light or konti na lang yung pinakaganda yung crater.
Wow.
Mas maganda yun. Parang
Look at this mountain. Ay, mountain. The
yung
trees.
sa bahay. Oh, ganun sure.
Like forest green. Wow. So, ayan. Kaya hindi nakakarating na sakto sa oras. Because
Daming detour ng mga person.
another detour.
Hindi ba magpunta diretso sa sa
But it has a nice view. So,
Lalo siguro pag uupo ka
that's
doon
my
sa
lookout.
dagat.
That's the lookout. So, diba? Tapos yung house nila, wow, it's so nice. Ghibli. But I think it's a toilet. It's a toilet. Parang inspired sa Ghibli. So it's worth it naman. Like 150 meters away. Ah, diba? And then the view. Look at the view. The view. The view. So it's just like 20-minute walk going up. Then later we will try the chairlift. And you know. Jumps. That's the Mount Omoro. The view. You can see the Mount Omoro here. Hi! Hello, Mount Omoro. There's a coffee shop here. It's Cafe 321. Coffee with a view. So we're in Tagaytay. Come on, go up. Fly high, butterfly. Jumps, go. Jumps.
はい、はい、サンキュー。ありがとう。
view. Look at that. That's Chams. Ooh, Chams! Tingin ka. Ay, mabilis lang. So it's also a must try when you are in Mount Komodo. It's not scary at all. Yeah, Bang, it's not scary at all. Mana? Mani, oh. Look. Hold up. Pang shopping niya yan, bibili siyang ano. Hindi ginagamit. Taking the bus again. Ooh, hello there. Just the four of us. That's so cute.
Next year.
Japan 101. Geography.
Japan has 4 main islands, but if you include Okinawa, so you can say 5. So this is Okinawa, Kyushu, Shikoku, the one that we want to go biking,
Yeah.
Hul, Honshu Island, and Hokkaido Island.
I want to go to the north kasi it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sapporo, right? Dahil alam mo,
Trying Indian food in Japan. I like the bread.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah.
better than
When
pizza.
I was in Malaysia, we went to like hiking, and then I always have this one, and then the biryani. Ikaw lang kita pala.
This is naan, right?
Yes.
The naan is a wood.
Mimosa.
Samosa.
Malaki pa lang.
This is the main spicy one. This is spaghetti. It's like mint kasi you can like it.
Okay. Nag-order ba kayo ng chicken biryani? Kasi kung hindi mag-order ako.
Umorder po si Sar.
Our food. Miu should come to Izu, to Itu, no?
Yeah.
So she can try the Indian restaurant, this Indian restaurant. What's the name? Kubit. Miu, this is for you.
Yeah.
So we're going to Gotemba. Bye, Ito.
Kaya dito yun.